Are you tired of your phone battery dying too quickly? We've all been there. One moment you're breezing through your emails, the next you're scrambling to find a charger as your screen fades to black. Modern life is lived through our phone screens, and a dying battery can disrupt everything. Mid-conversation texts, crucial work emails, even the climactic episode of your favorite show. It's a universal problem, but don't despair. Well, we have some solutions that might just help you out. First off, it's important to understand what drains your phone battery. Let's dive right in. One of the primary culprits is your screen brightness. It's like a mini sun in your pocket. The brighter your screen, the more energy it consumes. Then we have the apps running in the background. These silent energy guzzlers quietly sip away at your battery, even when you're not actively using them. Next up, location services. Your phone constantly pinging satellites to know where you are can be a real power hog. And let's not forget the small things: push notifications, vibrations, live wallpapers. They all add up. So how do we combat this? Well, understanding is the first step. Knowing these factors, you can start to make changes that will significantly improve your phone's battery life. Knowing what drains your battery is half the battle. Now let's move on to the solutions. Now that we know the culprits, let's tackle them one by one. First up, screen brightness. This is a real power-hungry monster. Dimming your screen can significantly extend your battery life. Dive into your settings, look for display or brightness, and adjust it to a level that's comfortable yet lower than your usual preference. Next, we've got those sneaky apps operating in the background. They might seem harmless, but they're silently draining your battery. Go to your settings, find apps or application manager, and close the ones you're not actively using. Lastly, location services. They're useful, sure, but do you really need them on all the time? Navigate to your settings, select location or privacy, and turn off location services for apps that don't need them. Those were some basic steps you can take, but there's more. So, stay tuned for the next set of solutions, and let's keep that battery going for longer. Let's take it a notch higher with some more advanced tips. We've all been there, the moment when your phone's battery life is teetering on the brink of dying, and you're nowhere near a power outlet. Fear not, tech enthusiasts. There are advanced solutions you can implement to help extend your battery life. First, remember to update your software regularly. Software updates often include advanced energy-saving technologies that can help boost your battery life. To update, navigate to your phone's settings, select System, then Advanced, and finally System Update. Follow the prompts to complete the update process. Next, let's talk about push notifications. As handy as they are for keeping you in the loop, they also consume a significant amount of power. To limit them, go to Settings, select Apps and Notifications. Choose the app you want to manage, and adjust the app notifications setting. Lastly, don't overlook your phone's power-saving modes. These modes reduce your device's performance and limit background data to save battery. To activate this, head over to Settings, select Battery, and then Battery Saver. You can set it to turn on automatically at a certain battery percentage or manually activate it anytime you need. With these tips, you should see a significant improvement in your phone's battery life. To wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've discussed. We began by acknowledging the frustration we often feel with our phone batteries, and then we dove into understanding the mechanics of a battery, how it functions, and what factors can lead to its rapid drainage. We talked about the primary culprits such as screen brightness, background applications, location services, and even the temperature. We then explored actionable solutions, dividing them into two parts for better comprehension. In the first part, we discussed adjusting screen settings, disabling unnecessary applications, and managing location services. The second part focused on the importance of software updates, practicing good charging habits, and taking care of the physical aspects of your phone to preserve battery life. Remember, a few changes can make a big difference. So take control of your phone's battery life today.